Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Hey guys, so today, sorry for not posting, technical difficulties, been not with one of my friends, but specifically, might know who it is. Haven't seen for, a few weeks now. Been bowling, but post video in week. Been trying to get the guys from Hong Kong to hold on. I'm falling a step. Smell horn. Saw me. He's actually in the middle of drinking water when he did. He actually looked at me and was like, kind of funny honking my horn. Smell horn scared the crap out of me. Only my second smell horn today, one was super foul. And almost got a bullhorn from the International S7. If y'all want to see why I've been not posting, I've been doing stuff on Facebook. I'll be doing a live video and what I can throughout how to do it when I can on Facebook later if I can. So, share opportunity of y'all being able to talk to me. Y'all can post in my group. I can see live. So y'all, a photography of Central Florida. Do not post. Do not bully. I will literally ban you from the group if you bully someone once. So steady drifting by a bowl in coal oil. Sounds good. Sounds really good. Been hanging out here at the mailbox lately, stacking anyone sees me out. If I don't post for long periods of time, guys, like this one, I'll go check Facebook or comment on some posts on Facebook or YouTube asking if I'm okay. Can't respond within a day or within, I guess, don't respond within hours of the post being posted. That means I'm not okay. Hello, CFC, the Black Duck buddy, or I should say the Black Betty Mac. I actually forgot his name, but I said it all day yesterday. There's the one guy go out yesterday. Hey guys, how coming today? I can't tell by all three cowboys. The three lonely cowboys. But there's a couple of trucks coming. There's a fight now. Oh dang, Max sneaked up on me. See? You gotta tell they all miss me. Miss me or see me. I haven't been posting. Whenever I don't post, I'm normally now outside a lot. It's probably so hot or I'm just feeling depressed again. Ignore that. I'm actually not depressed. I'm not depressed. I've gotten the hang of it, of saying I am, because two of my friends are, three of them actually, not three, four of them. Family problems, don't ask. It's common for me and my friends to be depressed on purpose. Yeah, I say I am, and 50 one of my friends. They say they are too. It's okay, this family problem, she's okay. If you're ever depressed, contact her. Pile up. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, he's going off the road. Oh, crap. What the? Yeah, he almost rear-ended him. He literally went off the road trying not to hit him. And here comes your blue truck. He always looks for another honk. And I know crack's about to happen. Yeah. Why I am always prepared to one. If there's something like that, like the crack's about to happen, and coming towards me, I'm gonna run to the Cowboys instantly. I'm not even gonna think force, I'm just gonna run. I would die from being beaten by one of my friends from Dan. I'm just to say, I would die from wanting to get out of the dangerous from Dan being killed from it. For the death trap. I actually give 40 a nickname. It's the Death Trap Road. The Death Trap of Florida. I-75 is not really a death trap. That is your reckless driver racing with a locust. Truly, if anyone's wondering, if I remember it, if you're already depressed and feel closing, contact your pastor. Or if you can't drive or you have DUI for some weird reason, or drunk reason, as I said, not as a joke, contact 988 if you're depressed. Because 988 will prevent people from suicide. Because depression brings suicide, actually. And exactly right, this part of the video is emotional. Not for me, maybe for me, I can't say. That's why I'm saying now, if you're depressed, contact 988 or text, call or text. I might even text him and see how good at stopping and see what to do about depression, especially for a 12-year-old boy. No, 13. My birthday was the 2nd of April, if you are wondering. And you can all probably guess when I was born, since two of all my friends that I know of right now are all 13, and only a couple of them are not in the 13 age range. I think one's 13, while the other two is like 6 and 9, or 6 and 10. And no, I'm not a pop-up. I'm friends with people with low age friends. I'm actually been friends with them longer than y'all have been friends with me. Most likely, yeah. At least with long I've been. Triple W Logistics. The only way I'm going back over here, I wait for a truck, I go over there, then I come back over here. At least I'm only going to the mailbox. Address remains unknown. Oh, they might start a Dropbox thing for, like, maybe I can message me on Facebook if y'all want to talk to me. Like, my channel is Anna Wiley and Audi. Didn't sound good, but it looks good. Got airbags. Pretty much like covering jacked up, but not jacked up. Go over here, sit on the steps, wait for some Max. Wait for some Max, you come, I see her. 3 different companies that I think is out here right now. A couple of freghtliner. One has bullhorn on top, which I don't trust. You have to buy her. And the one with foul smell horn.